All right, y'all. It's finally time to try. Look what I got. These are the tomatoes, and honestly, I let them sit in there for longer than 2 weeks because, y'all, I've been so busy. I really ain't had no time. But if they was pickles, I ain't gonna lie, I probably would have been cracked them open. So yeah, we finna try our tomatoes today. Our pickled green tomatoes, and we're gonna try one of our canned pickles that we canned, and we just these been sitting in the closet in my pantry, and they still sealed with no rings on them, y'all. These are the same, so we just gonna do one. We're gonna let these sit for as long as we can to get all the flavor, y'all. Which one should I try first? Because I'm thirsty. I'm gonna try these first because I think I already know how these taste. I hope they good, because y'all remember, no bay leaves. I'm gonna try these first. Yeah, I don't know what I'm supposed to eat with these, so please drop in the comments below what I'm supposed to eat with these, because I have no clue. Oh, I'm scared. I'm really scared because I'm it just smells like pickles. I don't know. Should I go for the onion first? Or should I go straight in? What if the onion give me a bad vibe? Nope, this tastes like the onions that I make all the time. Alright, y'all. Oh, I got a good one too. Child. This one ain't got no blisters or nothing, y'all. I'm scared. Wow. It's a lot sourer than I thought. They actually not bad. They not bad. I gotta try this again. Hold on. I don't know what to do with them, though. You know what that tastes like? They got a hint of olive. Just a hint, but the crunch in there. It got a crunch too. Bay leaves. Okay. Let me try one more. Okay. Yeah. So what do y'all eat these with? Let me cut it open. So what do y'all eat these with? Seriously. Like, they not bad. I just don't know what to do with it. I can't see myself just snacking it like pickles. But I could see it going with something. Can y'all see? Like, I could see it going with something, but I just don't know. My stomach finna be tore up. I don't know. Shorty, you wanna come try these olives? I mean, tomatoes?
I don't know how to feel.
That's what I said. That's literally what I said.
I don't know what to think.
I don't know. Like, it
ain't nothing that I eat though.
That's what I'm saying. Like, I said that. I said it ain't nothing that I go back and like snack on. But no. Maybe if it was with something, I don't know if it goes like with something. What do you eat these with? Mama?
No.
You don't even want another one?
No.
Dang.
Yes.
That's crazy.
Not my cup of tea.
Not your tea?
Nah.
Moving on. Back up, cause you don't even know how these gonna taste while you being thirsty. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Okay. So okay. Let me taste the pickle before I go in. Now these taste. Ooh, they hotter. They hotter. You think the heat make them hotter? They hotter. You want to taste it?
Yeah, it seems like they ain't real hot.
They is a little hotter at the end though. At the end, these taste like the pickles that's in the jar, like the jar ones. You get that taste, that fermented taste, I guess. You know what I'm talking about? The softness.
Yeah, but the crunchy and still got a crunch on it.
They're hot.
They're a little hot.
They're hot.
They good.
I like them though.
Yeah.
That's a different taste.
Yeah.
But these go in the refrigerator after. Should I taste it after that?
Yeah. Yeah.
They spicier for sure. I definitely, it's giving the spear pickles taste.
Mm-hmm.
The spear pickles.
Oh, good.
They good.
Those ones you can sit on the counter?
They gotta go in the refrigerator now that I opened them.
Oh, okay.
They gotta go in the refrigerator now that you opened them and they've been sitting in your pantry. You gotta go in the refrigerator now. I like these. I really do.
I do too.
I like them.
I mess with them.
Hell yeah. These are fire though. I like these. They have a different taste. I will say that the refrigerated pickles right now is still my favorite. But but I like these. This is a different taste. And these might be my go-tos. These might for sure be my go-tos. I don't want to eat them all though, y'all. But they fire. They is fire. Mm-hmm. Who want these? Because we don't. We don't want them. We don't want them. We ain't gonna throw them away, but we don't want them. So I'll see y'all back here in a little bit when we start making some other stuff, y'all. I guess the watermelon's supposed to be next. People want pickled watermelon, y'all. I don't like everything pickled just because I like pickles, but I will give it a try just like I gave these a try. Okay? They also said make it spicy too, so I'm just like, huh? We gonna see, and I'll see y'all back here next time on whatever I'm doing next, because I don't even know right now.
Hit that subscribe button.